The Department of Land Secretary, Benjamin Sampson, was charged with 1 count of abuse of office, 1 count of official corruption, 1 count of conspiracy, and 5 counts of misappropriation for allegedly selling 84 land titles, amounting to over $18 million. The sale of land was made under his former capacity as a registrar of titles. This is the 3rd arrest about this allegation. Previously, 2 lands officers were arrested, which led to Sampson's arrest. According to police investigation, the land registered to Neo Limited was fraudulently transferred to Wangelo No. 1 Limited without approval from Neo Limited. The transfer of titles happened between January 2016 and September 2017. Police confirmed that the 84 allotments consist of commercial and residential land allotments. The secretary was arrested, charged, and had exercised his right to bail. He now awaits court and legal proceedings to follow. For more updates, please like, subscribe, and comment your point of view.